Hi everyone. As discussed in the previous class, I'm going to cover what are the types of databases we have in industry. First one is relational databases, RDBMS. These databases are especially designed to handle the data in the format of relational format. Relational format in the sense it's in a table format. If you see MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server, and SQLite, these are the relational databases. And if you see the second one, NoSQL databases. These databases are designed to handle the data in unstructured format or semi-structured format. Especially these databases introduced to store and maintain the large amount of data with faster data retrieval like MongoDB, Cassandra, CouchDB, Redis, React, and Elasticsearch. And a few NoSQL databases are there. It is almost similar to relational databases actually. It will give the combined benefits of traditional RDBMS with scalability of NoSQL, especially Google Spanner, CockroachDB, NeoDB, and VaultDB. And fourth one is graph databases to manage the data, graphical data with structures actually. For example, Neo4j, Amazon Neptune, and ArangoDB and OrientDB. At the same time, we have fifth component time series databases. Especially, it will store the time series related data, large amount of data like InfluxDB, Prometheus, and TimescaleDB. You have object-oriented databases like DB4O and ObjectDB. It will manage the object-oriented programming languages kind of data, and column family databases like HBase and Apache Cassandra. These column families rather than rows actually, it will store the data in column families especially, and key value stores. This is one kind of database like Redis and DynamoDB and Berkeley especially. Data will be stored in the format of key and value pairs. And ninth one is cloud databases, especially Amazon RDS. Data will be stored in the cloud environment like Google Cloud SQL and Azure SQL databases. In-memory databases. Instead of getting data from the disk every time, data will be managed in the memory for the faster data access, right? Redis, MySQL, Vault Key. These are the memory-based databases actually. And one more thing, file-based databases to store the data in the format of files rather than a server actually. Instead of server, you can access the data from files like SQLite, BerkeleyDB, and few multi-model databases are there actually, ArangoDB and OrientDB. Especially people who are learning, who want to learn databases and who want to grow their career in databases side, right? You should focus on the relational databases and NoSQL databases. These two are playing major role in the right now in the database market actually, especially RDBMS and NoSQL databases. We'll see which database is good, which database for which purpose in the upcoming class. Stay tuned for the upcoming video.